converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. Okay, let's start with 15 over 4. This is an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. So I'm going to 4 here. And what I'm going to do here is I want to use the 4 time tables to get as close as I can to 15. The closest I can get to 15 using the 4 time tables is 12. 12 is the closest. So we'll put 12 here. Now, the difference between 15 and 12 will be 3. So we'll put 3 here. That's the difference. And then we're going to simplify 12 over 4. 12 divided by 4 is going to be 3. And this is going to come down as 3/4. Now we're going to check this to see if we did it right. And the way that we're going to check this is by multiplying and adding. So it'll be 4 times 3, which is 12. 12 plus 3 more is 15. So we come to 15 over 4, and thus is the same. So this does check out. Next, we want to convert this improper into a mixed number. So I have to use my 2 time tables to get as close as I can to 15. The closest in the 2 time tables I can get to 15 is 14. And the difference between 15 and 14 is 1. So I'll put 1 here. Okay. Now I'm going to simplify my 14 over 2, which is 14 divided by 2, and that's 7. Bring down the 1 over 2. And there's my mixed number. Now let's check this to see if it's right. Okay. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 more is 15. And that's all over 2. So this does check out because this matches the original. So we're finished. Next, we want to simplify, not simplify, should I say, but convert this improper fraction 15 over 8 to a mixed number. So the denominator tells me I need to use my 8 time tables. The closest thing in my 8 time tables to get to 15 is actually 8. 8 is the closest I can get to 15. Not going over. And the difference between 15 and 8 is actually 7. Okay. So the difference goes here. Now let's simplify 8 over 8, which is 8 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. The 7/8 goes down. And we're done. Okay. Now let's check and see if that's correct. To check this, I'm going to multiply 8 times 1 and then add 7. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 7 more is 15. And that'll be over 8. Okay. And it does match the original, so our mixed number actually checks out. Okay, the last one. Okay, I will look at my 7 time tables to see the closest I can get to a 15. The closest I can get to a 15 in the 7 time tables is 14. So let's put a 14 there. Okay. Now, next, what's the difference between 15 and 14? It's a 1. So I put 1/7 here. Now, I'm going to simplify this 14 over 7. 14 divided by 7, which is 2. We'll bring down the 1/7 here. And our mixed number is 2 and 1/7. I'm going to check this to make sure it worked out. So let's do a check here. So we'll multiply and add. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 more is 15. Over 7. And it does match. So the mixed number 2 and 1/7 is correct.